Welcome to Hissen. Today we will introduce to you China's largest second-hand brand shoe sorting factory and our proud identity. Best second-hand branded shoes to Middle East. Let's start this exciting journey. First, let's get to know Hissen Global. We are the largest second-hand shoe sorting factory in China, committed to providing the highest quality second-hand brand name shoes to customers around the world. Our shoes have received excellent feedback in South America, the Middle East and Southeast Asia. Why? Because we are known for being clean, stylish, colorful and flawless. At Hissen, our shoes are carefully sorted and cleaned to ensure that they are not just second-hand shoes, but the perfect combination of fashion and quality. Now, let's take a look at our product categories. Hissen Global has 5 categories of pre-owned branded footwear to cater for different markets. International brand low-top shoes for everyday casual wear. International brand high-top shoes to enhance your fashion taste. Chinese mixed brand shoes catering for all tastes and needs. International brand board shoes, a great choice for fashion trend. International brand children's shoes, a comfortable experience for cute little feet. These shoes will add more possibilities to make your business more profitable. Hissen is located in Guangzhou, China. Our office is not just a place to work. It is the center of our service to you. We welcome you to visit us in person. Thank you for viewing. If you are interested in our products and would like to know more, please add us on WhatsApp, +8,615,360,624,676 for item listings, pictures and company information. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us what you'd like to see more of.